Let's have a look at the 8-inch heavy-duty plate casters available. So these are polyurethane wheels, which are much harder than the thermoplastic rubber wheels, making them very durable and very resistant to impact, debris, as well as very resistant to oil and grease. These are great for slow speed moving carts that essentially need to be helped as far as getting them going in that push-pull force needed. So the height, the shape, the material all helps reduce that push-pull force needed to get those carts moving. We have two options available, the swivel and the fix. You can purchase these individually or you can purchase these as a kit. The kit is going to provide the caster as well as the brackets, washers, nuts, and bolts. Weight capacity, 1,200 pounds per caster, so you can rest assured you can throw anything at these casters. They will be able to handle it. Typically, the swivel plate caster, great for change in direction, facilitating a change in direction, and the fix are great just to keep you in a straight line. Oftentimes, we will put the swivel casters on the handle side of a cart and the fixed casters on the opposite end so that we can go ahead and facilitate that initial movement that needs to happen to get that cart going and the fix to keep us going in a straight line. Another example, when we have longer spans, longer carts, is to have swivels on the corners and the fixed in the center in order to create a central pivoting point. So it's going to facilitate getting around tight corners where those longer carts may have an issue. You can combine these with the square pipe series as well as the 2mm pipe series in order to create heavy duty carts that will handle the heaviest of demands.